Hey guys, it's Kim here. Today we'll be doing a video review on this weighted blankie. When I first heard about weighted blankets, I was just like, what's a weighted blanket? But it also at the same time sounded really comfy. It reminded me of something I watched on TV a very long time ago about people who had anxiety or like panic attacks. What they would do is go into this machine that kind of looked similar to a foldable bed. So like they would lay down on it and then someone would push a button that would make it fold up, and it was completely surround the person, kind of sort of like a mattress that was like hugging them to calm them down basically. Instead of doing all that, you could just use a weighted blanket now, which is so much more easier than a whole foldable mattress machine. It was perfect timing because YnM, a company that makes weighted blankies, wanted to sponsor me to make this video. But I had very specific criteria that I wanted for my weighted blankie. One, it has to be cute. So I wanted one that was in gray that would match my decor and like gray headboard and whatnot. What was my biggest concern of having a weighted blankie, and it was like my first weighted blanket for the first time, and I wanted a weighted blanket that didn't feel like I was being crushed by a house or something. When I first laid on this blanket, I noticed that it just has the right amount of heaviness to it. I wanted something that was kind of just breathable and doesn't warm me up at night too much. And sometimes in other blankets, I just feel like it's swallowing me, but this one it doesn't. It's nice and breathable. But I do love how this feels, and it's super comfortable at night. I've noticed that I've been sleeping a lot better. Usually I take a really long time to fall asleep at night. Usually I have all these extra criteria to like fall asleep at night, like it needs to be completely dark, the curtain needs to be closed, the doors needs to be closed, I need my white noise in the corner, I need my humidifier, air purifier, or whatever. I don't know if I was just extra tired last night or whatever, but I just completely ignored all those extra stuff and just knocked out. I'm probably the biggest blanket hoarder I know. Whenever I go out shopping, for some reason, all these blankets, they kind of call out to me. And what bothers my boyfriend is I like buying lots and lots of blankies and just like piling them on myself at night, but I tend to like overheat myself like really fast if I do that. But what I'm looking for isn't like the warmth of the blankets, but I'm looking for more of like the pressure of the blanket snuggling me in. So with a weighted blankie, I kind of just need this and I could breathe at night and I'm not drowning in all the heat of all the blankies. And I get all the pressure I actually really want. So if you haven't had a weighted blankie before and you want to try one for the first time ever, I totally recommend this one. It comes in a bunch of different colors and materials, so if you're very specific on your blanket needs, they have that. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to watch my previous video, and if you're interested in this weighted blanket, which you should be by now, check out the links down below, and bye!